If n and m are integers and n squared plus m squared is even. Which of the following is impossible? A. N and m are even. B. N and m are odd. C. N plus m is even. D. N plus m is odd. E. None of these is impossible. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Here is the key idea. A number and its square always have the same parity. If a number is even, its square is even. If a number is odd, its square is odd. So n squared has the same parity as n. And m squared has the same parity as m. For n squared plus m squared to be even, the two squares must have the same parity. Either both are even, or both are odd. That means n and m have the same parity. Both even, or both odd. Even plus even is even. And odd plus odd is even. So in every case, n plus m is even. Since n plus m must be even, it can never be odd. So the impossible choice is, n plus m is odd.